Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the Lone Star Hawaiian Garage. My name is Chad Naho'oleva. We are currently in North Texas. Welcome to Texas, guys. We've been here for a few months. We've recently relocated from the islands of Hawaii to beautiful North Texas. If you did miss our last video, guys, check it out. Boost Auto Parts came in clutch. I've been dying for a set of these tow mirrors forever and finally pulled the trigger on this mod, and I could not be happier with the look. I just can't get over it. I just stare at my truck all day. Does anybody else have that problem? I don't know if that's a disorder or not yet, but I'm sure it will be in some near future. But it is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. This video won't upload for another probably 10 days from now, but hope you guys had a very happy and safe Independence Day. We had the whole family over for Independence Day. And as you can see here, we have the OG Lone Star Hawaiian Silverado and the newer G. It's a 2007, so it's still an old truck. This is a 99 Silverado. This is a 2007 Silverado. This is the first year of that new generation body style in 99. This is the first year of that new generation's body style in 2007. See a trend here? Maybe. Now, the reason you guys are watching this video probably isn't because of the 4th of July, nor probably is it about the truck. Well, it kind of is about the truck. It's always about the truck. But we have an issue, guys. I finally got in trouble. I say finally, but we've been here for not only a few weeks, and I already have a notice from our HOA. I hate HOAs. I don't know about you guys, but I think HOAs are completely useless. It's nice to keep the value of your property at a premium because of the HOA regulations and standards, but at the end of the day, HOAs are a waste of money. You throw money away every single freaking month, and you get nothing for it except a really ugly, dirty pool. But here's my notice. Here's my official Homeowners Association notice telling me I have to correct something within 14 days or I am fined and or out of here. On this particular issue, the governing documents of your community state any portion of any lot exposed to the public view must be maintained in a neat and orderly fashion. So if you're a Hawaiian redneck like me, HOAs don't like you. We ask that you remove the dead trees from your front lot immediately. Immediately. Please replace the tree with the required 3-inch caliper tree. A bunch of bull crap make me throw money at a tree that was already dead when we moved in. So yes, the previous owners neglected the front trees and they died. I tried to bring them back. I shocked the roots to try to get that fertilizer going, but all that happened was the grass grew really, really green and thick around the tree, and the tree just continued to die. So they're dead. Now, if you do follow me on Instagram, you may have seen some posts about the channel going green for now on. But realistically, all it really was is we picked up some brand new oak trees from Home Depot. 250 bucks a pop, $500 for these two stupid things that I got thrown in my front yard. And be honest, I was tired of looking at the dead trees. I wanted to replace them, but I wanted to replace them on my own time schedule. I didn't want to be forced and told to do things that, I'll get to eventually, but we got them here today. But here's the fun part about today. To make this fun and exciting, and I don't think there's ever been a video like this before, we're gonna have a man versus machine race. So my older brother is somewhat of a Polynesian strength type dude. Me, I didn't really inherit that gene. He did. We're gonna have a little contest to see who can pull a tree out faster. A truck or a big dude? So big shout out and big mahalos to Heritage HOA for being a proud sponsor of this video. All right, so this is completely unscripted, and I'm being completely honest because we have no tools, the truck's in the garage. I don't know where my straps are, and we gotta strap this thing up. So the idea is, I'm gonna take the truck, pull this guy out. This guy's gonna take his biceps.
I got the bigger one?
Yes, you have the bigger one, you get the bigger biceps. We're simply gonna say ready, set, go. And I gotta run, grab the truck. You gotta ring and probably get some tools, or he'll probably just try to manhandle this. And then we'll see how this goes. Again, no idea how it's gonna turn out. And I really hope something doesn't break, but we'll find out. All right, anybody want us to count us down?
30, 29, 28.
Why would you start so
27,
high? 3,
26,
2, 1.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me.
love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go.
Guys, I don't have a tow hitch. If anybody out there has an extra tow hitch, I could really use it right now.
I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me.
I thought I had it.
I'm in love with you.
Hey, maybe one of your sponsors has a toe strap.
I need a strap. Yes! Get that way.
That's what he's doing.
Better just suspend it. I have all that, man. All right, Mr. Biceps. You should be really ashamed of yourself because you got beat by a truck.
I know.
Right? In his defense, this tree was actually alive longer than that one, so my roots were a lot more dead than this one. I picked that tree on purpose.
Yeah, let's get the truck. Your old truck.
All right, so that was extremely scientific. A half-ton truck can pull a tree out better than a single person. Science. I don't think it was in there for very long. Look at these roots. Just a ball. All right, let's unhook this thing and actually dispose of this tree properly by setting it on fire. Now this guy over here is actually gonna go clean up our mess because we kind of just made a huge mess. Hey, that chain would have really come in handy. I gotta get myself a chain. What was I thinking? I really thought that strap was gonna be stronger than that. I was kind of disappointed, but I won. All right, fun fact, guys, when you're pulling a chain, you want to stay as close as possible to the chain while there's a lot of tension on it. That's the safest place to be, is right by the don't do that. I need to get one of these because I don't have one. Oh! Slipped up.
We're lazy.
What's up, Cuzzy? Oh, by the way, guys, this is our cousin from Hawaii.
All the way out here.
Wifey's cousin.
You knew I wasn't gonna win with this now. There's no way.
Actually, I was getting kind of worried after my strap broke because that was the only strap I had. By the way, I need a new strap. How many Hawaiian rednecks does it take to pull out a tree? 4. 1, 2, 3, and the new. Welcome to Texas.
Oh yeah. 4. Watch out.
All right, guys.
Victory.
If you're by chance one of my neighbors, I sincerely apologize. Kind of. Only minimal collateral damage. All right, guys, that was interesting to say the least and a little bit unexpected. I hope you enjoyed that one because I broke a sweat, huge sweat doing that. And my brother bent the shovel. I don't know how you bend a shovel like that. That's actually kind of impressive. But we are halfway there. We are halfway legal according to HOA because on the letter, verbatim, was to remove the 2 dead trees from the front yard. There they are. They are removed. But technically they're still kind of in the front yard. So we're halfway there. And if you are by chance a member of the board of the HOA or on the board,
It's real nice. I got it at Target. It's on sale.
so we will be back in one moment to plant some new trees because here on the channel we are going green. We're all about going green. We're gonna go buy a Prius. See you in a second.
Put it in there and break it up. Make sure that's right. Yeah.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
We got some evidence from yesterday, guys. Good morning, y'all. It is now the 5th of July, so happy Independence Day yesterday to everyone. Hope you all had a great one. But check it out. We finally got trees and they're alive. So HOA, please be happy. We replaced our trees, threw $50,000 into the ground, literally, in my front lawn. Now, in all honesty, I was planning on replacing these just in due time. I didn't want to throw $500 right now on those. I'd rather wait a little bit and throw some more money into this first. But anyways, it is complete. It is done. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. A lot different type of video than most of the videos we do, but we had a blast filming it. I will tell you, you met the rest of the literal Lone Star Hawaiian family. Now, if you aren't a family member yet, go ahead and scroll down, subscribe below, be part again of the Lone Star Hawaiian family. If you enjoyed this type of video, a little bit different than the routine, leave in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And lastly, if you enjoyed it, make sure and smash that like button down there as well. So in the end, hope you guys had a great 4th of July. Until next time, y'all take care. Aloha and enjoy the ride home.
Can't escape from my thoughts like a black hole. Can't escape from these thoughts and souls.